Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. If you've ever wanted to earn free Ethereum without investing any of your own money, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll cover the most effective and reliable methods to earn free Ethereum, whether you're just starting out in the world of cryptocurrency or you're an experienced investor looking for additional ways to grow your Ethereum portfolio. Stick around, and I'll show you how you can start earning Ethereum today. Check out the description below for links to trusted platforms I mentioned. Part 1. Why earn free Ethereum? Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and offers many exciting opportunities. Earning free Ethereum is a fantastic way to build your crypto portfolio without needing to invest any upfront capital. Whether you're earning small amounts over time through Faucets or gaining more significant amounts through airdrops and rewards, free Ethereum can be a great introduction to the world of crypto and potentially more lucrative down the line as Ethereum's value grows. Part 2. How to earn free Ethereum. The best methods. 1. Ethereum Faucets. Claim free Ethereum by completing simple tasks. Ethereum Faucets are websites that give you small amounts of Ethereum for completing tasks such as solving CAPTCHAs, watching ads, or participating in surveys. While the payouts may be small, they're a great way to start earning free Ethereum with minimal effort. Some popular Ethereum Faucet platforms include Ethereum.io, Koinly, and Altcoins.pw. Simply sign up, complete daily tasks, and watch your Ethereum balance grow. Be consistent with claiming to maximize your free Ethereum earnings. 2. Airdrops. Receive free Ethereum for participating in promotions. Airdrops are an excellent way to earn free Ethereum directly into your wallet. Many new and existing crypto projects distribute free tokens to users who complete specific tasks, such as joining a Telegram group, following social media accounts, or simply signing up for their platform. These airdrops can sometimes offer Ethereum directly or Ethereum-based tokens that have significant value. Stay updated on airdrop opportunities through websites like CoinMarketCap's airdrop section or Airdrop Alert. Make sure to follow the official instructions carefully to qualify for the airdrop rewards. Some airdrops distribute Ethereum-based tokens that can be swapped for Ethereum later. 3. Earn Ethereum by completing microtasks. Microtask platforms allow you to earn Ethereum by completing simple online tasks. These tasks could be anything from watching short videos, testing apps, filling out surveys, or reviewing websites. Microtask platforms are easy to use and a great way to earn Ethereum in your spare time. Popular platforms include Bituro and Coinbase, which offer Ethereum rewards for completing microtasks. Perform the tasks, accumulate small amounts of Ethereum, and withdraw your earnings when you're ready. 4. Bitcoin to Ethereum Faucets. Converting free Bitcoin to Ethereum. Many cryptocurrency faucets pay out in Bitcoin. However, you can still convert your free Bitcoin into Ethereum by using cryptocurrency exchange platforms. For example, FreeBitCo.in allows you to earn Bitcoin, which can then be converted into Ethereum on exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Once you've accumulated enough Bitcoin, simply exchange it for Ethereum at a favorable rate. 5. Cashback and rewards programs. Earn Ethereum for everyday purchases. You can earn Ethereum back while shopping through cashback programs that reward you in crypto. Several platforms offer cashback or rewards in Ethereum when you make purchases through their affiliate links. Platforms like Loli, Pay, and Bytriful allow you to earn Ethereum as a reward for everyday purchases. Simply sign up, shop at your favorite stores, and get Ethereum back as cashback. 6. Ethereum staking. Earn passive Ethereum by staking your coins. If you already have some Ethereum, you can earn more by staking it on platforms that support Ethereum 2.0 staking. Staking allows you to lock up your Ethereum and earn passive income over time. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase offer Ethereum staking services. Simply stake your Ethereum and earn rewards while supporting the Ethereum network. Part 3. Tools to maximize your free Ethereum earnings. CoinStats. Track all your Ethereum earnings, including from faucets, airdrops, and rewards programs, using CoinStats. This platform consolidates your crypto portfolio, helping you stay on top of all your free Ethereum earnings in one place. TradingView. Once you start earning free Ethereum, you'll want to keep an eye on its market value. TradingView offers advanced charting tools and real-time market data to help you track Ethereum's price and make informed decisions. BlockFi. For those who want to earn passive income from their Ethereum, BlockFi offers interest accounts that pay you for holding your Ethereum on their platform. BlockFi allows you to earn up to 4.5% AP on your Ethereum holdings. Koinly and ZenLedger. If you're earning free Ethereum from multiple sources, it's essential to track your taxes. Koinly and ZenLedger are two of the best platforms to help you track your Ethereum earnings and ensure that you comply with tax regulations. Part 4. 3 Pro Tips for Earning Free Ethereum. 1. Stay consistent. Earning free Ethereum can take time, so consistency is key. Whether you're claiming from Faucets or participating in airdrops, set aside a few minutes each day to maximize your earnings. The more you participate, the more you'll accumulate over time. 2. Secure your Ethereum. When earning Ethereum for free, it's essential to use a secure wallet to store your funds. Consider using a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor for maximum security. Look in the description below for my video on secret crypto security tips. 3. Avoid scams. Unfortunately, there are scams in the crypto space. Be cautious when signing up for Faucets, Airdrops, or any platform that promises free Ethereum. Always research the platform, read reviews, and ensure it's legitimate before participating. Look in the description below for my video on the top 5 cryptocurrency scams. Earning free Ethereum is an exciting and accessible way to build your crypto portfolio. Whether you're using Faucets, participating in airdrops, earning cashback rewards, or staking Ethereum, there are plenty of opportunities to start earning today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out the description below for links to trusted platforms which can help you track and grow your free Ethereum earnings. Please like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and strategies. Thank you for watching.